You have tried cutting caffeine, limiting screen time, and even diffusing lavender oil, but still, sleep seems like a far-fetched dream. What if the real issue isn't in your head, but in your gut? Research and medical experts are increasingly uncovering the link between gut health and sleep quality, and it may explain why you are tossing and turning at night. Let's find out how the gut and brain communicate. In the words of our expert, Dr. Pooja Pillai, consultant, internal medicine, Aster CMI Hospital, Bangalore, she says, our brain and gut are connected via the gut-brain axis, which is a bidirectional communication system that includes nerves, the immune system, and hormones. This is one of the longest nerves in the body, and it works like a highway of communication between your brain and gut. When your gut is in imbalance, it can interfere with signals that control stress, mood, and sleep. Number 1. Gut bacteria produce sleep hormones. A balanced gut microbiome not only supports digestion, but it also manufactures and regulates sleep-related neurotransmitters. For instance, serotonin, which is primarily manufactured in the gut, is a precursor to melatonin, which is the sleep hormone that causes you to become drowsy. Some gut bacteria modulate the manufacture of GABA, a soothing neurotransmitter that slows down anxiety and promotes sleep. When gut bacteria are out of balance, our natural sleep chemistry can get out of control. Number 2, inflammation and sleep disturbances. Poor gut health has the potential to result in low-grade inflammation, which impacts the nervous system and also the sleep. Common disorders such as bloating, GERD, irritable bowel syndrome, or food intolerance may trigger inflammatory reactions that disrupt your circadian rhythm. Thus, it's difficult to fall or remain asleep. Number 3, stress, anxiety, and the gut sleep loop. Sleep deprivation includes stress, and stress in turn harms gut health. Cortisol, the stress hormone, impacts gut bacteria and intestine function. At the same time, gut imbalances may increase anxiety, so it becomes even more difficult to unwind at night. Now let's see lifestyle and diet factors that influence gut and sleep. An unhealthy gut typically results from lifestyle habits that also impact sleep, said Dr. Pillai, which includes consuming high sugar and processed foods, excessive use of caffeine or alcohol, overuse of antibiotics, chronic stress, lack of fiber foods. When these elements undermine your gut microbiome, your sleep quality can be impacted. Now let's find out symptoms your gut might be impacting your sleep. Dr. Pillai emphasized to watch out for the following warning signs: difficulty falling or staying asleep, frequent walking during the night, recurring bloating, constipation or diarrhea, food sensitivity, mood swings, anxiety or confusion, fatigue despite sleeping. If multiple of these symptoms occur, gut imbalance could be behind your insomnia, she added. Now let's find out how to improve your gut for better sleep. So here are some effective expert-approved ways to maintain a healthy gut and better sleep. Number 1, consume more fiber and fermented foods. Include yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and fibrous vegetables and fruits to nourish good bacteria. Number 2, cut down on sugar, processed foods, and alcohol. These kill your microbiome and mess up digestion. Number 3, make prebiotics and probiotics your top priority. Supplement smartly or obtain them through foods such as bananas, onions, garlic, and curd. Number 4, stress management. Experiment with medication, journaling, breathing exercises, or walking in nature to decrease cortisol. Number 5, drink plenty of water. Water facilitates digestion, helps modulate metabolism and sleep patterns. Number 6, sleep regularly. A consistent circadian rhythm benefits both gut function and sleep. So here's the bottom line. Our stomach does much more than break down our dinners. It's also responsible for managing our hormones, our nervous system, and our sleep patterns. If insomnia continues to be a repeated visitor in spite of sound sleep habits, the answer might be found in balancing your gut microbiome with conscious eating, tension management, and lifestyle adjustments. A healthier stomach may be your path to more profound sleep. For more such videos, subscribe to OnlyMyHealth.